I'm a little bit into the story already, but never too late.
There's something glowing inside that nut?
There is. This could be a little. This is gonna be a short stream. Well, maybe not. Cause I am
Strong.
supposed to be in school right now, but this is lunchtime. What if I just?
I think you killed him.
That worked.
Look up there.
Fuck out of here.
What's that about?
Not our concern, boy. Focus.
Focus, boy.
Boy,
Read those, boy.
what does it say?
Something about an eternal war for what? I don't get it. If both sides need it, why not just share it?
Greed. You will find it a common cause for war.
Oh, what the hell is that?
They keep murdering the Vita.
It is war. The end of one.
Nice.
The road once lost.
What the fuck? Oh. Oh my. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Shoot, boy. You're frozen. God damn. Jesus Christ. Run. This. Oh. Mister. The fuck was that? Turning against me. I'm Kratos, bitch. Fuck up. I think I know what I gotta do. Jesus Christ, I almost got murked in his back.
Did you say something?
No.
Oh, okay. At least we're getting closer to the light.
Yeah, oh, I didn't even see it. Yeah, I've been, anytime I see them, I open them. Oh, this is one of the language ones, I'm pretty sure, for, so.
Another cipher piece.
Yep.
I'll see what I can fit together.
Yeah, what do you mean? You mean, like, my health bar shouldn't, like, be that low? Or, like, it shouldn't have been while I was fighting.
Wait,
Because I'm trash. Oh,
Let's get started then.
Oh, yeah. Let's see what... Love this. Oh my, I only got 1,000 hacks over it. What's this? Defense, runic, and strength. That would have been good, but I'm broke. How do you upgrade your health bar? Because I know you can, but I just don't know how. Probably gotta upgrade something, but... I'm broke. I can't even get anything. Nothing. It's expensive. Enchantments. Let me sell this.
Where are we even carrying them?
Tage. What does it do? Oh no, I'm not gonna sell that.
Hello?
Hey.
Alright, I'm about to just show you my health bar real quick and then get back off.
How do you even think? How do you upgrade it?
Those like, it's those chests that you have to break, like those,
Oh, the blue stuff, the rune, the
yeah.
oh yeah, I've seen those, but I just
You have
can't.
to do those, because at the point of the game you're at, you should at least, your health bar should at least went up like once. You have to open 3 chests
Cause
for
I
your health
can't.
to go up. Because you have to, it either gives apples or horns. You have to collect 3 apples for health and 3 apples for the
I'm pretty sure I
horns.
got one apple, but
Oh
cause
my.
cause I seen
Are you in the
those.
screen share or the share play?
Oh, I know. Let
Join
me
me.
see.
This is what my health looks like right now.
Oh my God! What is Atreus doing?
That boy fly.
The hell are those?
Let's see my fit.
How do you? Oh my God!
Look at my strength.
Oh
Look
my
at
God!
my money.
Oh my God! You have 500,000 hack silver?
Mm,
Got everything. Well, not everything, but Jesus.
I have all these.
God. Goodbye, every one of them.
I already did.
Oh. Jesus.
These are just, I don't know why these are like this. Yeah, you
So
have
what
to
do you,
open, wait, I think there's one here.
so what do you even do after? After the thing?
Before you beat the game.
Yeah, just like,
There's these bosses called, what's the name of them bitches again? Oh, Valkyries. They are mad hard. Some of them are mad easy. I think there's like 9 of them total. And there's like 8 around the map. Some are easy, a little bit are tougher. Now after you beat all them, you have to fight the queen. That bitch, oh my god, she's no joke. That's one of the hardest boss fights I've played in a game.
what do you think is the hardest one that you've
I don't
played?
know.
Huh.
Maybe she is.
I'll probably smoke her.
But it's tough.
Right?
She has mad health for no reason. But yeah, these chests are the chests
Yeah.
you gotta think.
I'd be finding like at least 2 of them, but I can never find the
Nah,
last.
there's a lot. You just have to be pay attention. This one, I think it's like, no, I think,
I don't even know.
you was at this part already, right?
Uh, I'm not I don't think
If
I'm,
you're at the Dark Elves, you definitely passed this.
huh.
At the loot.
Oh yeah, I was.
What was that symbol? Well, you could always come back and do that.
I could.
You definitely should, yeah.
Might do that
It's like,
now.
remember that teleporter thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta use that. Where is
How
it?
do I even wait? How do I use that again?
Wait, is it not?
Look, I don't even
No,
know.
that's mine. That's my cereal. Yeah, that's mine. I'm coming back. I was just showing Isaiah something. There's a video you could watch and it'll show you the locations for all of them and how to get there. That didn't give me it because I already
Why is
have
it?
my
How am
teleporter.
I supposed to get through this? What's this?
Alright, well, I'm about to go back and eat my cereal and chill. I'll get back on whenever Y'all are done with school. Is this
How am I?
wrong? Oh, it is.
Yeah. How am I supposed to?
You have to get an angle and then break all them at once.
Yeah.
I can like
Okay.
go around, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, I could go around. Oh, I could. Okay.
Alright, well, I'll be back on later, on like an hour or some change.
Yep. Okay.
Alright, bye.
Alright, bye. I got to keep on this. Trace, you okay?
Okay.
Trace, you hearing things?
Not much. Just that since the Elder was fighting with the White, he kept them isolated.
A drink from the dew of the world tree brings lasting benefits. Trace, you? Bro, Trace. Bro, Trace, you okay? Oh my goodness. You okay, buddy? Yeah, sit down, take a nap, do something. It's, shoulder wraps. Yeah. I don't have a belt though, but yeah, these are shoulder wraps. Nothing for a Trace yet. Oh, got 3,000 XP. Let me buy some stuff. While waiting, forward and press R1. Back and sprinting and press R2 for megas shit. Aim and hold R1 to select 3 targets. Okay. Trace, can I buy you anything? These are mad. I'm gonna just buy all of these. These are mad cheap. Might add up though. Yeah, I only got 1,500 left. Spartan Rage. Nah, I don't really need that, to be honest. Well, press. While sprinting barehanded, press R1. But not really. I'm gonna just. R1 to perform a leaping attack or a massive leaping attack. Actually, no, I think I'm gonna get this. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. There is?
But maybe they need help.
They do not stop us, so they do not concern us. They do not concern us.
I might have to get that. But But I don't got nothing right now, so. Going down the river. The hell is that? Come, boy.
We must find it.
I didn't get any of these, yeah.
Back to the boat.
This boss at this. I don't really like their comments. Comments. Oh, never mind. So what, do we get back in the boat? What happens now? I guess.
Maybe we should head to the temple?
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
I'll find such a beautiful place. Or makes it ugly. The blue door. That's gotta be the entrance. Let's go.
Let's go. So optimistic.
Careful, boy.
Careful, boy. Boy, be careful. The fuck is that?
To prevent reinforcements. Be ready.
Huh? Jesus Christ. Whoa. What the heck? I did the thing. Jesus Christ! Atreus, come help me. Do something. Jesus Christ. Oh shit. Get it, get it. Fuck. Ah, fuck. What the hell? Jesus Christ. God damn, Kratos. God. Please calm down. Cut that nigga in half. Okay. Do we go down? No, we don't go that way. Nope, I guess we go down there. Yeah, I guess so. Nope, I guess we don't go down there. Sorry, Kratos, come on. Let's go this way. Nope, can't go this way either. Which way do we go? Do we go back in the boat? Maybe. Do we? Probably not, right? Maybe. Let me just try something. I could go around? Maybe? Nothing over here.
Can I see with the eyes of a child?
In war, a soldier sees beauty only in his enemy. The rest of him is lost. Sometimes only to return.
You know about war, don't you?
Wars are fought for two things: survival or
There's a lever thing? There is? Alright, let me look back.
wars are won by those who are willing to sacrifice everything to ensure victory.
Lever. Oh, I'm guessing it's this. Yeah, I guess. Let's do this.
Okay, so that did something.
Oh no. Again, you want? I did. Jesus Christ! Huh. I'm almost dying. I need help. Alright, oh, other lever right over here.
Combined together like that, they kind of look.
You look like a room.
Doesn't make sense.
Come, that too sent.
Oh, yep. That's just what I was thinking. Just what I was thinking, Kratos. Great minds think alike. But you're 6'5". I mean, I'm 5'1". So yeah, there's a difference.
Sindri said mother was a warrior. Was she in war too?
Enough. Stories are for the boat. We must focus.
Father, the pillars and ring form an elvish root.
Alright, put it in the sand bowl. Come on, boy. Alright, boy. Oh my god, you okay? Boy.
There's the voices again, but different voices.
God damn, boy.
They're asking for help.
We are here for the light. I do not care who they are, nor what they want. You have something to say?
Atreus? I will palm your head. Oh, what the hell? Come on, let's go for a swim. My neck hurt. Yes.
Go play in the background, they show.
Mother?
Atreus, enough.
That are in this setting that young,
Oh my god.
you know, like in kindergarten and first grade, like I
Behind
don't
me,
say,
boy.
yeah, there's the pandemic going on, but it's very difficult for them to be learning through this medium. You know, like they need more one-on-one interaction.
Huh?
The time is 12:30. It's now 12:32. So two things. So, we won't say words like good or bad. We'll say words like naturally comfortable. Okay. Okay. So what I'm gonna do?
I'm angry now.
Some pauses for like a couple minutes while we get settled into this equation. Okay. If you're not sure how to rewrite this expression, this is s plus 2 in parentheses squared, right? So you're taking the same binomial s plus 2, you're multiplying it times itself. Okay? So I'll give you like a couple minutes. Let me just get signed in to my Pear Deck. Pear Deck, where are you? Where are you? This is it. Yes, we are here. Okay, we're getting different versions of it. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. Suits and power. showcase these two side by side. Okay. And, okay, this one.
I know.
And then this one.
No, it was a nice move.
Okay, let me just let a couple more of you in.
Those cages.
It's 11:33. We have some time. Okay. I'm gonna showcase the responses. Okay. Here, some responses that are coming up here. I'm gonna showcase them here. I'm also going to create a blank slide because this is
God, your neck. Jesus. God. Jesus, Kratos.
working with quadratics.
Don't him.
Factoring the quadratic.
Don't do him that dirty.
Okay, so s
Nothing in here.
plus 2 squared. Okay, so say yes, this is us here. Here we go. Here we go. See, I was ready for question. Okay, if you're signed in, I'm on slide 8. Okay. Okay, so what's happening? What I'm seeing is this, right?
Huh,
So we're
still
seeing a
watching.
couple things. We're seeing s plus 2 times s plus 2. It looks like we're seeing. I think someone else. Cameron is here. Yeah, I think Zoom hasn't been that great the past couple days. If you get a chance to, please do update your Zoom.
Huh?
I update yesterday, and I think that's why there could be a little bit of stuff happening because it's the right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the things that you wrote right here. I'm gonna put this as is on the Jamboard. Okay, I'm gonna write, so the top one
Nice.
is s
Let's
squared
go.
plus 4s plus 4. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at these
Get out of here.
equals. Alright, so now I'm gonna release the chat for about a minute or two. We'll do this. Equivalent A, B, C. Equivalent to the expression s plus 2 squared.
Finish him off.
Are any of these expressions equivalent?
Actually, I
All
will.
equivalent? Are one or more of these incorrect?
God. Jeez.
You can type into the chat. You can use the raise your hand
Alright,
feature.
now we got these.
So s plus 2 squared. Do you
There's
agree
nothing
with
in there.
A, disagree with C, agree with B and A and not C? Do you agree, disagree?
Where?
Agree with A? Check for A.
Something?
Check for A.
No.
Okay. How about B? How about C?
I can't get up there.
If you're not sure, it's okay. Choice D. Not sure. Need a little bit more. Choice D.
Huh.
Put that here too.
Anything
Choice D.
down there? Okay then.
If we need a little bit more, right? So what's happening here is that the binomial s plus 2, right? When you see a power outside of it, it means that the whole binomial is being multiplied by itself, whatever that amount of times is. So s plus
No,
2
go back
is the
down.
same as s plus 2 times s plus 2. Right? So the first one definitely is an equivalent representation, okay, of this equation / expression.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Nope,
All right.
nope,
Now, if
nope,
we use
nope.
factoring
Oh.
techniques on this, right? One of the factoring techniques that we went through.
I know I
we
did
used
that
area
wrong.
map.
Definitely did that wrong.
Okay. If you
Okay.
prefer to use FOIL, you can use FOIL. I'm sticking away from FOIL because it's an old-fashioned way of teaching. Even though I'm getting old. Okay. S plus 2 plus s plus 2.
Okay.
They have the same lengths. This would be s
Down there.
times s. Okay. This would be 2 times s. 2 times s. And this would be 2 times 2, which I'm just going to write 4.
Oh, this way, Atreus.
Okay. Right. Bringing down the
I was
expressions.
wrong.
S squared for s times s. 2s plus 2s is 4s. and then we add 4 to it. Alright, so it's looking like also choice C is correct. Okay.
Ugly bombers.
So choice A and choice
Just
D,
looking.
choice C, choice D. Choice A and choice C are equivalent to this expression. Okay. Now what about choice B? Because there were a few of you that did write down distribute the exponent to each of the terms inside, right? But if you do that, what you end up having s squared plus 4.
What,
Okay.
Tage?
That's a different expression from s squared plus 4s plus 4, right? You don't have that central term, right? When we get to graphing these specific types of expressions, this graph is going to look different. The graph of that expression is going to look different from the graph
I
of
know.
this expression. Okay.
Now I'm gonna get it.
So B is not equivalent. And again, like the reason why
I'm gonna
I'm
get it.
addressing this here is because
No, I saw it.
it is a common
I
error.
can still
Right?
go back,
To
right?
see the exponent and to just say, okay, s squared, 2 squared, 4. S squared plus 4. Okay, that's not. Just want to address right now. That's not a correct application of using exponents, right? You have to actually write out the two terms, and you have to do the factor. I mean, to create, you have to write this in expanded form.
I'm coming, boy.
All right. So questions on equivalence. Questions on looking at this is something a little bit different. Question on this. A binomial square. That's what's happening. This is an expression that's a binomial.
Wait, can I get it back?
You see this definitely on the Regents 8th grade test now.
Oh, because I thought.
They'll give you more stuff like that. It's maybe something like that. Okay. Definitely Regents test. If the Regents still exists in June and you're still taking it, definitely. Okay, so moving on to the next thing. So before reviewing over question E, there was some more practice I wanted to give you on factoring out expressions, right? So
Wait, can I get it back?
Come on, slide. There we go. It's one back.
Oh my god, I fucked up.
Okay, so this is similar
No, I
to
fucked
what we
up.
did yesterday, right? So
Because I thought like that was just like I didn't think that was the way to go. God, because I just thought like that was like to like find something. I didn't think that was like the next part of the story.
So for these
Oh, I
particular
didn't.
types
Oh,
of
rip
expressions,
chest.
we need to find that product sum, right? So I'll draw out our little organizer.
Oh, can't get it back now.
I'll put product sum.
She knew what she was doing.
Product sum. Okay. So we need to find.
I know that was the runic chest because I saw like the runic, but I couldn't get it from there. I didn't think that if I climbed up there that I didn't think that it would like the story would like finish.
Okay. Same thing for this one. We need to find two numbers.
I'm a demon anyway, so I think I'm gonna be good. No.
Whose product is -11, right? But whose sum.
Okay, how the hell do I get out of
is
this?
+10. All right. Okay, so we have in the chat. So we have Ashley 4 and 3 for the first one. So I'll make this A and B for A, correct?
Okay.
Okay, so 4 and 3. Let's take a look.
So you don't go in here, I guess.
4 plus 3 is 7. That works, right? So we go back to our structure. Okay. The leading coefficient, again, 1 times x.
Where's the other one?
Right? So we don't have to worry about putting any numbers in front of x. We can just write x, parentheses, leave some space for our numbers, and the other x in parentheses,
Oh, yeah.
leave some space for our two numbers. Our two numbers,
Cut enough away to bridge above
4 and 3, they're both positive.
expect resistance.
Plus 3. Right. And then you could go back and you could check your work. You could use FOIL, you could use the area model. I'm just going to do quickly just to check. X times x is x squared. 4x,
Come boy.
3x is 7x. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay? Good. Okay. Questions on
Oh.
factoring using product sum. Finding the product sum. So, the template for this, the template for these types of equations, again, we'll get to this when we do quadratics.
Okay, alright, buddy.
Ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay. Here, you're finding, so the sum of those numbers is whatever b is, and the product of those numbers is whatever c is. If there's no x squared, and it's just 7x plus 2 plus 12, then you have a linear expression.
How are they?
So if, again, like I'm not going to get too deep.
Or
into
you shoot your
quadratics.
fire.
That's a different unit, right? This is just factoring techniques. If a is equal to 0, then what happens is the equation, that becomes 0 times x squared, and then that first term disappears. Then you have a linear equation. So for these structures, you have a has to be, that leading coefficient in front of x squared has to be a number. It cannot be 0. If it's 0, then you end up having a linear expression. All right. If the second number is 0, but the first number
I think
is
I
a
know
different
that
number,
guy. Yeah.
then you're gonna have what we call a quadratic expression. But again, that's a whole other unit. Right now, I'm just going through factoring techniques using the distributive factoring. All right, what about the second one?
Where's there?
So
I was
we
there.
find two numbers. This product is
Wait, his right arm?
and sum is
Oh, yep, I see it.
can that even
I see it.
right? Because 11
Right?
is a prime number,
Nope.
right?
Wait.
11 is a prime number. So the only factors are what?
Whoa.
Well, if we have this minus 11, right? So maybe we could change around. Good afternoon, Benjamin.
Oh, okay.
Maybe one of the numbers can be positive, one of the numbers can be negative, right? So let's take this a step further. Negative 1 and positive 11, if we multiply those two numbers together, we're going to get negative 11. And if
Well, I'm
we
mad
multiply
low.
positive 1 and negative 11, we're going to get negative 11. Okay? If you add up any one of these two pairs, so you get positive 10. So 1 plus
Oh,
negative
no.
11. The first one or the second one? The first one, let's take a look, right? So 11 and negative 1.
Just give me anything. I
11,
give.
positive 11 plus negative 1 is equal to 10. Okay.
Pick
And
up the
11
rocks.
times negative 1 is equal to negative 11. So maybe this works. It's just instead of x plus 1, it should be x minus 1. Right?
Oh
X
my
plus
goodness.
11.
Oh,
Right? You can test this out. You can use
God damn it.
you can use
I have no health anywhere.
x times x.
It's probably better for me to die right there.
Okay. Then you have negative. I'm just gonna write
Alright.
out the steps here. So you
Because
can
first
see
I
it.
did not know what to do at
-1x
all.
Plus 11 times x
Okay,
is
then.
11x. Negative 1 times 11 is negative 11. Okay. These two terms positive 10x. Check. Okay. Now Now again, it's looking
The
like
hell is that?
this technique might work. Okay, it's not always going to work. In fact, I'm taking a look at my practice examples right here. Let's see this one. Okay, that one's gonna work. Let's give you something wild and crazy. I think the parts that can be confusing about this problem is that the two numbers that you're looking for, right, to be inside this structure, right? I'll highlight the structure. The two numbers that you're looking for, x plus something, x minus something, whatever those somethings are, okay? Those
Okay,
numbers
full
are
health.
dependent on the original expression, okay? And you're looking for two numbers where you gotta find the product and the sum at the same time, right? That's why I created this little. Actually, I didn't create this organizer. It was created in some education seminar years ago, but I still use it, right? But just a way to organize these numbers, right? You can put either you can do this either way. You can put p up on top. You can put s on the bottom, right? And then you take out whatever the coefficients are, right? Yeah, I think someone else has.
Huh,
Thank
huh,
you.
huh.
So you can just pull out whatever the coefficients are if you're looking for the sum.
Now
of the
I'm getting
second.
somewhere.
Okay. In fact, I'll even write s over
What's
there.
my...
In fact, I'll actually write out the words so you don't get confused with these letters. Sometimes extra letters make things easier. The sum of the two numbers is 7, and the product has to be 12. Right? And then you can plug these numbers into your organizer, and then try to figure out, well, okay, what two numbers work, right? The place that you start
Come
is you start by looking at all of the factors of the number that you're looking for.
on.
That's your starting point. 112, 26, 3, 4.
One more from you, big
And
boy.
then you're looking to see if any one of these two factor pairs, if we add them up, we get 7. The only one that works here is 3 plus 4 is 7. Like that. So the coefficient, the number that's in front of the variable, right? So you're looking at the coefficient of your term that's just x alone, and you're looking for that number at the end of the expression. Okay, if your expression is of this form, you might only, again, I don't want to spend too much time on this because then, well, 8th grade state tests, you won't really be tested this far. Like you would be tested more on going from this direction.
I could upgrade
factor
this.
form to expand. For 9th grade, you have to know how to go back and forth. The structure is of the form, the standard quadratic structure, but I'm not going to go through that right now. That's a separate unit.
Let me try this.
The numbers that you're looking at,
Hold L1 and hold R1.
the sum has to be this number, whatever B is, and the sum and the product has to be whatever C is. Okay, good time. And what I'll see too, in the next assignment I give to you, I'll put some more practice on this. Like I'll take some of the examples in my book, no copyright issues, and I'll put them into a practice, because the practice that they give you here in the book, they only give you 2 examples, and it's not enough, especially for this topic, to really get a full understanding and to really get the full practice. This is one of those topics where practice makes perfect. Like it's hard to really see it the first time. I know when I first learned this, I needed extra practice with this. Okay, Okay, so next step is I had to do yesterday. Oh, I think I changed that. So go and check it. I think I changed it to Thursday, like late Thursday, Thursday afternoon.
Nice, Cap.
Okay, so let's take a look at question E. Since pretty much all of the tools, like for questions A, B, and C, A, B, and D, we pretty much have. Right? So I'm just gonna fast
There's no
forward.
scene. We have a
We
problem.
did that. Right. So like question A, you're using the distributive property to write an expanded form. We've done all these types of structures, okay, including a form. Same thing for B. We've done all these types of structures, including B formula. Right. You've done many examples like this.
Hmm.
D is different ways to look at expressions. Like at the end of class, after I go through one of the examples for E, I'm gonna come back to D. Then we're gonna end the class there. Then on your own, you're gonna do questions A, B, D, and E.
I guess.
That's how we're gonna end this particular section.
What am I buying back?
So now they're asking you here.
I got 6,000.
Insert one set of parentheses in the expression to. I'm just gonna make
That
this
one?
a little bit bigger. Hopefully
I already have one.
There we go.
Yeah, I didn't use it yet.
Insert one set of parentheses in the
Pretty sure
expression
I used.
to the left of the equal sign so that it's equivalent to the expression to the right of the equal sign. So what they want you to do, right? They want you to put parentheses
10,000.
somewhere on the side of the blue, right? So that
No.
way you get what's on the right side. Okay, I'll highlight that in yellow. Right? A good starting point might be to actually simplify, right? Start simplifying the expression first, and then see what you will get. It says it was due yesterday. I could check it. I think I changed it either this morning or last night. So if you checked it right after class yesterday, then I probably updated it since then. Yeah, I know I did since then. Now, a good starting point might be to see, okay, like, we need to start out somewhere. I would start out with the left side. Simplify the expression on the left side and see what that's equal to. And then,
this is good.
Then you'll know how much more
I want some
numbers or
wasteland.
how many more terms you'll have to add or you have to subtract away. So 6p plus 2
strangling defense. What defense?
So that would be if you follow just order of operations, commutative property, you'll get 4p plus 2.
Let me buy this.
Okay. So you're gonna have to insert parentheses around here somewhere, okay, in order to change the expression around here. Okay. Now the question is, where are we gonna put the parentheses around, right? We need to be able to get 2 to be equal to 12. We need to increase the value somehow. Okay. So what operations can we do to increase the value to get to 12? We can do 2 plus something, or we could do 2 times something, or even 2 divided by a fraction, but we don't want to go that deep. Here, all the coefficients are integer values. Yes, Adrian, go ahead.
I think you could put parentheses behind B and after plus 2.
Let's take a look. So I'll use
oh my gosh.
One here and one here.
Isn't that good?
Okay, so let's see what happens. Right? If we do that, then we have to apply the distributive property, and we have to distribute 6p, which is what we had initially, right? And then, but now we have 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is going to give you 12. Okay. Minus 2. Right? then now you have 6p minus 2p. That's gonna give you 4p. Okay. So it's about playing around with the parentheses.
Wow.
A good like I said, a good starting point for examples like this
R1.
is to start
Nah.
by
Let me get this.
simplify the left side, right?
This way.
Okay, and then
Nope.
after you
Wasted
simplify the
that.
left side, see what you need to add. I want to see C. That's not a good instructional word. Determine. What you need to
We're inside.
increase or decrease the binomial by. Increase or decrease the binomial by. Good, I'm glad.
Frisia.
Yeah, I'm hoping again. If you have any questions, please do ask. Like I initially planned for this lesson to be
Yep, I'm playing God of
in a
War.
shorter span of time, but I know that
What's gonna do
out of
this?
the many topics that come out of 8th grade algebra, and especially and even 9th grade algebra,
Yeah, I might have to
factoring
be.
quadratics, that's something that is always, whenever I teach it, like I find that it's one of the most, I don't want to say confusing, but I want to say that you might need some more time for it, because there are multiple steps going on, and there are multiple layers of multiple techniques that have to be learned, right? And the 9th grade standards take you to a different layer than 8th grade standards, right? And
That's
as
it.
us taking the algebra regions and teaching at the 9th grade level, I need
Anything
to
over here?
make sure that I cover all of the parts of it. Okay, but if you have a question, again, if I'm moving too fast, if you want me to, if I'm moving too fast, if you want me to pick up a little bit, if you need more one-on-one in
What
a
the hell is that?
breakout room, just let me know.
Just die.
You can send me an email up on PeoplePath. Hey, Mr. Don. Also, if you would like, I haven't done
Oh my
office hours
goodness.
since we came back, so I'm thinking Thursday I have meetings, tomorrow I have meetings, but I can do office hours for us. I can do office hours
Oh
Friday.
shucks, I'm low.
This Friday from 2 to 2:30.
I died.
I can do that. Alright, so I can do
Oh, he's
that
dead.
for you. E2 again. So E2, same principle, right? Simplify the expression on the left side, right? 6p
Oh,
plus
alright
2
then.
minus 2p is actually the
Guess I
same
should use
thing,
my
right? Of
resurrection
getting
stone, but
4p
could let's buy one.
plus 2, right? Now the question is, where can you put the parentheses so that way you only get 6p alone? Yeah, actually, you know what? I was thinking about that. I'm reading the chat. I was thinking about that today because I was like, it feel now it's been almost a year, and it does feel like
Come on,
time
Atreus,
drags
let's
on, and
go.
like it takes
Come on,
more
boy.
time to get through a topic than what it did in the classroom.
Boy.
Like even though I'm constantly like this, checking time, this and that, but it's, I don't know, it's a different vibe. It's a different vibe. Okay, so we went over factoring techniques.
There's
We
more?
went over question E, how to set that up. There's one more part of question
There's
D that
another
I
one.
did want to take a look at, that I started teaching to the blended classes. Just want to make this a little bit bigger, and I ended up tilting it. My apologies. I'm on slide 14 now, so you can move back a slide.
Alright then.
So sometimes when you're working with an
Oh,
expression,
okay
when
then.
you're simplifying an expression, what you can do, you could do steps in order of operations one step before. Okay. Now, what question D is getting you to think about is getting you ready for that, right? So what I mean is,
They've covered it up with that stuff. How would they do that?
suppose you want to solve something,
I gotta go down.
you want to solve an expression like this.
Go this way. Kratos! Kratos!
The distributive property. You could
I
totally do
can? Yeah, I could.
But 20 is already being, so 20 is being multiplied by both of the terms on the outside. If you divide
Didn't do anything.
You're a bozo.
left and right by 2, right, you might be able to simplify the expression a little bit further. Right? You might be able to create an expression that's a little bit more workable. Okay. 18 equals 9. Then you can do the distributive property. Right? You might even be able to cancel out.
Okay, alright.
Right? So suppose I have something like this, right? And I divide left and right side by 20. Right? Then I'm left with negative x plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay? You can do that. Like, you don't have to do all of the steps of the properties. Here I'm dividing left and right side by 20 because this binomial
Oh
and
no,
number
oh
20
no.
is being connected. I just put it in. I'm just saying let it be equal to 40.
I'm
So
scared.
I'm giving you different ways that this technique can be applied. Okay, so just one way that this can be applied. Now for question 4,
What are you doing, Kratos?
they're saying just simplify the expression. Okay? You could divide by 2. You end up getting 10 times negative x plus 1. Right? Then you use the
Stay from range, boy.
negative 10x plus 10. Right? And then you have to see when you get to this point, are there any other expressions here that are equivalent to this one, or is this one the odd one out? The factoring and the distributive stuff. What I'll
Oh
do is,
shucks,
I'll take a
there's
poll,
a stone right there too.
I'll take a poll like I'll take like a A, B, C poll.
Well, I was
I'll
low.
break it down into
I really do need to upgrade my
distributive
health bar.
property, simplifying expressions, distributive property, factoring, and distributive property, solving equations. A, B, C. Which one do you think that you need some more support in? And choice C will be like a little bit of everything. In fact, let us do this now, right? So I'm gonna go to this slide, just so I can get some space. Okay? Type into the chat, or you can direct message me, so I could see, right? Choice A. I'm gonna write distributive property, distribute. So we're all in this topic right now. Distributive property. I'm sorry about my minute. Simplifying expressions. Choice B, factoring techniques. Choice C. Oh, actually, simplifying expressions and solving equations kind of goes in the same field. So you can put that together. Solving equations. Distributive property, visual diagrams. A little bit of everything. Okay. So, which one of the 3, and then 4 is a little bit of everything. Do you think you need a little bit more support? You can direct message me on this. So choice A is distributive property, simplifying expressions and solving equations. Do you think you need to focus on that? B, distributive property, factoring techniques. C, distributive property, visual models. Or D, a little bit everything. Right, and this will help me plan for the lesson on Friday.
This way?
Like what more that we need to do. Okay, so some visuals, a little bit of everything. Visuals and a little bit of everything. We got some. I have 1 or 2 of you that I know want to do some factoring. So a little bit of everything. A little bit of everything.
A decent start.
Okay. So factoring. Okay, so now what I'm envisioning in my head, based on your feedback, is planning an extension lesson, right? What I'll do is I won't give you a separate work assignment for 1.4, right? Like normally I would do in the classroom extension 1.4 Rada's classroom. I'll make you an extension for Friday, right? I'll grade that as an extra credit assignment.
Oh my
It'll
god.
be a little bit of everything, right?
Because I'm not good.
I'll put a little bit more factoring on it, since that's what I see, and I'll relate some of the factoring to the visual models. Because that's what, from the feedback that I'm getting, that's what I see that we need, okay? For the factoring involving, I'm going to give you a choice now. For factoring, choice A, choice B. Choice B is structures that are x squared.
Let's
A
go.
is structures that are x alone. So higher order structures like x squared, or linear structures like x. So higher order, linear. So linear factoring or higher order factoring. Higher order factoring with maybe a couple of linear examples and some visuals. Okay. That's what it looks like. Okay, so that's what we'll do. What we'll do first thing. What we'll do on Friday. Okay. I'll make an extension. Focus on a little bit everything, not too much. Factoring will be more for
No, give me a moment.
a little bit of both linear and higher order, because I'm seeing that we need a little bit of both.
Going backwards.
For
Okay.
x squared plus 6,
Alright
right?
then.
So what's happening for this one? Not going to give it away too much.
That's not
X
working.
plus x plus x.
Oh.
That's
Oh.
3x.
Oh. Oh.
That's all I'm
Okay.
gonna say.
Oh, there's a lot. Oh no,
Yes,
there
yes,
is
yes,
a
yes.
lot.
3x plus 6.
Not yet.
Now, 3x plus 6, this is not factored form. That's
Alright.
expanded. Right? What's the shared common factor, or the greatest common factor for the numbers in that expression?
I get it.
That's what you need to do next. So
I need to get to an
that's the
end.
expanded form, right? So you have to find the greatest common factor of 3 times x and the greatest common factor of 6. So you're looking for the GCF of 6 and 3. And that's the number that's put on the outside. Now, success, you can kind of think of it that way. Like, if you need to think of...
How am I supposed
if
to
you need to
do
think of
this?
it that way in terms of the terms being, like, squished together. So what we say in math, when we write out all of the x's like that is in... we say that is a form of expanded form, but that we say that's like a decomposed expanded form, meaning that you're breaking down each individual term separately, and you're adding each individual term separately. right?
I don't have to do these three.
Expanded form would be after we combine the like terms. And we have a
Aha.
binomial, right? We have 3x plus 6, right? Factored form,
Come on, Trace, let's go.
right? It's just now in learning how to break structures to this. That's what we're doing, right? Now, factored form would be looking for the greatest common factor of 3 and of 6.
Did you hear that?
Stay
Okay.
by my side.
Come on, Atreus.
Pause.
When we make it to the light.
Listen, a long time ago, there was this cartoon that used to be out. It was called Captain N. It was because Nintendo was like very popular back then, and they did like a cartoon of all 1980s games. So this dude
Up and
Captain
off
N, his
me.
name was Kevin. He got sucked into this video game land, but he had his controller, and when he pressed pause, he was able to
Jesus.
stop everything. So putting pause on the chat. Pause. Okay. Alright, so it is 1:14.
After this mission, I'm on.
So we will continue with an extension on Friday, right?
I'm gonna end this stream.
changed the due date for this assignment to the end of tomorrow, so you have an extra day. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll do office hours on Friday.
Mayor
from 2 to
Atreus.
6. Okay? Now I'm going to stop sharing. Now,
Ugh.
I'll release the
God.
Any questions, you can ask it now. If not,
Ah. Atreus. Boy. Come.
I'll make it tomorrow.
You okay, boy?
Thank you. Have a good day.
Shh.
You must be careful. Understand?
Okay. Oh. I'm ending the stream here, guys. I'm gonna be back in a few. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Save the data. And don't forget to stay litty.